What up, Lily Gang? What is up? It's been so long since I made a video, but I have a very special video today. I'm doing a healthy. I started a 30-day challenge from Arbonne, which I love. Right now, I'm on. Tomorrow will be a completion of week 1. Yes. Of week 1, and I've been doing really good with it. I feel like I have been, at least. So right now I'm just doing some meal prepping for some meals. So I know I used to make a lot of like cooking videos, so I thought, why not join me for this healthy cooking meal. So what I'm making today is a chickpea stir fry. So let's get it. Let's get it.
And I
Let's get it. Let's get it. Week 1 was a success with Arbonne's recipes. That was one of the recipes that I made. It's stir-fried chickpea, but also have a tomato soup as well. And for the week, I also made some salmon and brown rice. Stay tuned for more videos and keep up with my healthy journey. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Lily Gang out.